Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. As like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for home decor. Today's video is all about crochet kitchen accessories. So we'll be go and over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your home decor. Here are some advantages of making your own crochet item for the kitchen. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Personalized style. You can design kitchen accessories that match your unique style and decor. Choosing color, pattern and texture that complements your home. Eco-friendly. By crocheting your own items, you can use sustainable natural yarn such as cotton or hemp, helping reduce plastic waste from store-bought kitchen items. Durability. Crocheted items like dishcloths, pot holders, and scrubbers are often stronger and more durable than their store-bought counterparts, especially when using high quality yarn. Cost effective. Making your own kitchen accessories can be much more affordable than purchasing ready made ones, especially if you buy yarn in bulk. Unique gifts. Handmade crochet items make thoughtful personal gift for housewarming, birthdays or holidays. They show care and attention to detail. Customization. You can create item in any size, shape or style for small dishcloths or large table runner, allowing you to cater to your exact needs. Fun and relaxing. Crocheting can be calming and stress relieving hobby. Making something useful for your kitchen is both satisfying and productive. Breathable fabrics. Unlike some synthetic materials, cotton yarn used in crochet is breathable, making it ideal for kitchen accessories like dishcloths or pot holder. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like and press bell icon.